You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
Good morning, good evening, and magandang araw sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa Pinoy Podcast. This is G and with the G and Chandela Show, and tonight we have Fermina Daza on air. It's the girls' night here on Pinoy Podcast. Usapang babae, and I would like to call in my co-host G Chandela and Fermina Daza. G Chandela, you're on air.
Of course. Hi, G. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening, Philippines. This is Chandela.
Welcome. And Fermina, are you on air?
Oh, good evening. Good evening, Philippines. Hello, world.
Oh, Fermina Daza is on board. She joins us from Dubai, right?
Yes, she's from Dubai.
Okay. And it's her birthday today. So,
Yahoo!
happy birthday.
Yes. Happy birthday to me. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I'm going to go to the back and you girls take it away.
Take it away. Parang if the price is right. Okay.
Yes.
It's girls' night with DJ Chandela and Fermina Daza.
Okay. So, Fermina, how are you?
I'm okay, sis. And how are you, sis Chandela?
Ito lang. Ito, paganda ng paganda. Hindi ko nga maintindihan eh. Okay, so...
Ayan yung related sa topic.
Okay. So, what are we going to talk about tonight?
Yes. Yes. Dahil sa sinabi mong paganda ka ng paganda, and maybe some of our listener will think about what make you say that. Na maganda siya. Diba? So, alam mong maganda ka. Right?
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah. Dapat lahat ng girls ganyan. Feel mo siya. Because we're going to talk about, since makakasama mo lang ako with the limited time, usapan na lang natin yung sinabi ni, may notes tayo, di ba? Yung kinuha natin sa isang vlogger and a relationship coach, Miss Sabrina Alexis. She's talking about ways to be irresistible to men.
Wow.
Ano ba yung sa Tagalog ang irresistible? Parang akit-akit ba yun? O hindi naman atak?
Parang, ano ba yung irresistible nga sa Tagalog?
Yung napapansin na hindi nila makayanang hindi ka pansinin. Oo, yung yun. Hindi.
Beat the girl that guys can't say no to. You know?
Yes. Yung talagang something na they will caught their attention. Nice.
Oo, yung kahit na they want to say no, they still yes. Diba?
Yes. Oo. Ganon.
So,
marami siyang nilist, di ba? Actually, it's five ways to be irresistible to men. Nilist niya yung number 1, be confident. So, sabihin ko na muna yung 5.
Okay.
And then, the second one, she said, be a mystery. Nice. And the third one, be easy to be around. No drama.
Okay.
And then, number 4, embrace your femininity. Yes. And lastly, not the least, have your own life. Ooh. So, start tayo sa, ito big, napapansin natin lagi ito kahit sa forum natin. So, yung number 1, be confident. Diba? So, anong idea mo sa confidence? I mean, tinanong si DJ eh.
Well, Chandela is almost synonymous to confidence.
Obviously.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, you have to know, kailangan confident ka in everything you do, in the way you look, in how you deal with people. Kasi when you're confident, mag-radiate yan outside, makikita sa aura mo,
Yes.
and you'll attract people.
Yes. So, hindi ito yung tipong napapanood natin na yung parang nai-spray ng guy and then hahabulin sila ng girls. So, hindi yung confidence na gano'n pinag-uusapan natin. And then, siguro yung idea ng iba, they will think na shy sila at wala silang confidence kasi yung idea nila having a confidence is because I'm not beautiful enough or handsome enough. So, nagbe-base sa physical flows nila or what. But actually, yung pinag-uusapan natin, confidence na kailangan ng mga babae is yung confidence talaga na confident ka, meaning you believe in yourself. Iyon yung mahalaga doon. Naniniwala ka sa sarili mo. And then, you know, na may mga flaws ka na hindi ka perfect, but then, hindi ka nagpo-focus doon. So, alam mo na ikaw mismo, accepted mo ang sarili mo. Right? So, iyon yung pinag-uusapan natin tungkol sa confidence na kailangan ng mga babae. Kasi usually, prone tayo sa mga, you know, mga babae, masyado kaming conscious sa appearance namin and kung nari maliit or mataba ka or gano'n. But then, yung mga things na mababago mo, well, you can do something about that. Pero may mga things kasi that we cannot change, like our height, diba? So, napakahalaga ng acceptance then in having a confident life. I mean, ganon. So, marami nagtatanong, bakit ba kailangan yung self-confidence na yan? Bakit ba na-attract yung guy dyan?
Oo nga, bakit ba?
Bakit nga ba? So, kasi, di ba, may pag-confident na daw yung babae, may natural ingredients, parang nagluluto. May ingredients daw na, kasi makikita mo yung mga confident people, they are good in conversation. Kasi nakikita mo magaling silang pag-usap. Tapos yung feeling nila, they are in control. Tapos they know that they are important. Tapos, at the same time, hindi naman sila yung tipong walang pakialam sa ibang tao. Kaya doon tayo nagdo-draw ng line. Di ba yung confidence minsan versus arrogance? Di ba? Nagpapa-inter-switch nila yon. Nakakala nila yung being arrogant is malakas ang loob and then yun yung confident.
Dapat,
right?
Again, you have to be also confident in giving compliments to other people.
Yeah, just, can you give me 2 seconds, sis? Just a moment.
Okay.
You talk.
Okay, so, right, G? What's your question, G?
Well, here's my question. I have a female friend na she's very confident about herself.
Okay.
She's very, like, she's the what you call the A, person, like, she's very
Yes.
very vocal.
Okay.
And then she says she gets attracted to men who are very confident about themselves.
Yes.
It doesn't matter what you look like, or mayaman ka, mahirap. Basta, ang sabi niya, I get attracted to guys who are confident.
Yes.
Who are confident about, what they are. They don't sound unsure, or they don't, like, act like babies,
Okay, so what's the question?
Validating what Fermin is saying, and you are saying.
Yeah.
Being confident, I think it's not just for women; it's also for
for men and women. And kasi sinasabi nga nila as a general rule daw na men tend to love women who have confidence, but then blended with femininity. Nandun pa rin makikita nila na babae yung dating. And then, yung mga babae, attracted sa mga confident men, pero nakita pa rin yung mapagkumbaba. Hindi. Humility. Actually, any form, yun yung nagdi-distinct. Any form ng medyo parang show-off, na gano'n. May word na sinasabi din sila doon na it's kind of confidence poser. Actually, those people are insecure. Kasi the real or true confidence at the core, laging may humility. And may sensitivity. Yun yung word doon. Hindi, kasi pwede mong sabihin na being confident, knowing, di ba, sabihin mo, I'm awesome. You know that you are awesome. Being arrogant or arrogance would be something like, I'm the best, nobody else.
Okay.
Nakita mo yung difference? Di ba?
Yeah.
Being true confident is, I'm awesome, right? And then, the other side, yung arrogance na, move out, I'm the best, no one else is, and they don't really paying much attention to other people. Kasi,
So, arrogant pala ako. Wala ako confident. Oh my gosh.
May hairline difference talaga minsan sa being confident and being arrogant. So, kung para magkaroon ka ng true confidence, definitely, i-blend mo pa rin yung true self mo, kung babae ka, yung femininity mo nandun, tapos yung strong ka inside, but then, soft ka pa din. You carry yourself in the most na graceful, yung parang babae pa din. Hindi yung nagbabash ka, di ba? Yung ganon. So, actually, unang-una yung feeling mo at naniniwala ka sa sarili mo kung ano ka, tanggap mo. So, and then makikita mo yung mga confident people, di ba? They talk openly, honestly, but then, may sensitivity. Very considerate din sila.
Kasi sensitivity in when you're in tune to yourself.
Yes.
Diba?
Tsaka, being confident, yun nga yung sinabi natin kanina, hindi necessarily, kasi may idea ng maraming tao na you should be the prettiest, you should be the smartest, and then you are confident. And that's hindi ganon.
Yeah, that's not
talagang, yes, ang sinasabi natin confident na magiging magnet ka, na ma-attract sa'yo in a way na talagang na-inspire yung mga tao sa'yo is inside, yung nakikita yung inner strength mo. Diba? As you said before na from inside, it will radiate outside. Diba? Yung yun. So, confident, kasama na dyan yung paano mo magkaroon ng self-confidence? Dapat okay yung self-esteem mo. So, andyan na nga yung pag-accept mo, pagtanggap mo kung ano ikaw. Kung may wish ka mong baguhin na pwede mong baguhin, do it. You do your personal work. Yung ganon. Hindi mo talaga pababayaan ang sarili mo. Papasok ang self-love. O, diba? Meron nga ako nakitang caption na self-love can make you sexier.
Of course. I've been loving myself for years now.
Yun. At kilala mo yung actress, meron ding magandang quote yung actress sa Spider-Man. Nakita ko yung quote. Si Kirsten ba yun? Kirsten Dunst. Sabi niya, the real secret to total gorgeousness is to believe in yourself, have self-confidence, and try to be secure in your decision and thoughts. So, maganda yung sinabi niya doon, na-cover niya lahat bilang isang babae. na kung ano yung dapat.
Okay.
Yes.
So, number 2?
Number 2, be a mystery. Ano ba yung
Di ba kayo sa mga guys yan, di ba? They're always complaining, why do you always have to be mysterious?
Mm-hmm.
To the point na parang they're trying to read our minds, our thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
Pero alam mo, nagawa ko na to effective to.
Oo.
Oo, yung para pumasok ka dun sa utak niya at hanapin ka niya. Gawa ko na yan.
Idea kasi ng guy na, yung idea ng the chase.
Yeah.
At may mga studies na sinasabi din na people are most attracted sa mga, they don't know exactly what the other person feel about them. So, parang meron dong curiosity nandun na, di ba? So, kasi yung iba kasi pag, especially on a date, may mga iba kasi na sa isang date, sinabi na buong talambuhay.
Okay.
And then sinabi pa yung, di ba, yung mga kasama sa don'ts in dating, yung kinukwento yung mga negative against the exes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ibuboost nila ngayon sa ka-date nila. Sa isang date ngayon, di ba? I mean, so sometimes you have to preserve something, lalo na kung unang encounter pa lang, di ba?
Yeah, just don't lay your cards on the table agad-agad.
Yes. Iniisip mong, di ba, mabango kang bulaklak, di ba? Medyo bahagian mo sila ng konting amoy mo muna. Hindi yung ano mo yung bulaklak sa pagmumukha nila, di ba? Yung ganon.
Ano bang bulaklak itong pinag-uusapan natin?
Flowers, yung ang plants. We're talking about plants at ang amoy ng plants, okay?
Okay, so totoong bulaklak ito. Yung
be a mystery. Yeah, being a mystery does not mean acting cold or bitchy. It means you only show certain side of yourself to start. And the best way to start things off is to show him you're happy, confident, fun to be with. Diba?
Uh-huh.
Kasi usually on the dates, a man should be the one to put on a show. So yung babae, kung you just, at the end of the show, praise the guy or hindi mo man siya gusto or not, just be thankful.
Alam mo, Fermin, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Yes.
About dating, you think you should date first before you jump into the relationship or you get official first bago kayo mag-date?
If I will base on my experience, I prefer makipag-date muna. Kasi dating, you get the chance to have fun and really know the person. Kasi once you engage na, you jump into a relationship right away, usually nangyayari yan, madalas, kasi iniisip lang nila yung, kinikilig ako, yung chemistry. It happens. Di ba? Para kayong mga nakukuryente sa isa't isa, and then you think that's love. And then you hindi naman chemistry lang yung buo ng samahan, di ba? If you want a lasting relationship, chemistry will not be enough because chemistry will expire.
FD, may sinasabi si Daniel sa chat box. Sabi niya, I disagree on the guy should be putting on a show.
Hindi. Ibig sabihin, the guy putting on a show and the woman will be receptive. Ibig sabihin ng receptive, she is also participating, kumbaga. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng guy, nandun siya, nakikinig siya. Hindi yung uupo lang siya doon and then talagang nanonood siya ng show. Hindi ganun ang sinasabi ko. It's more on, again, the energy of a guy and the energy of the woman. Yung guy proactive, yung woman passive. Okay? Ang maganda kasi, kaya sinasabi natin nung una, bakit ba para hindi maging, to be irresistible to men, confident ka. So means, a girl who's having fun with a guy around, di ba? Hindi siya yung bitchy or nanguhusga ng kaagad. I think yun ba yung sinasabi ni Daniel?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. What do you think about that, Daniel? But I think with the tip number 2, being mysterious, not only on the start of the relationship, but all throughout the relationship, women should be mysterious.
Yeah.
Like you, dapat, kunwari, nagustuhan ka niya na ganito ka kaganda. Parang don't let him know, wag mong pakita na naglalagay ka ng 10 kilong foundation sa mukha mo. Something like that.
Yeah.
Parang,
you're setting your boundaries pa rin. Healthy boundaries.
Yeah, then, especially when it comes to bed.
Yes.
When it comes to making love, being mysterious is really a good factor into spicing and hitting up the eksena. Just don't go inside the bedroom na naked ka kagad,
Yes. So, I mean, yung parang daw yan. If we're talking about in bed or something like foreplay, it's like, pagkain ng saging. Ito, nasa saging na tayo. Di ba, babalatan mo siya Di ba?
Okay.
Hindi mo naman siya, di ba, pag hawak mo ba yung saging, kakainin mo na siya kaagad. Di ba, binubuksan mo siya. Yun, di ba?
Paano kung sinerve sa'yo na wala ng balat?
Ay, hindi. Hindi yun ang true partner. Kailangan dun tayo sa partner na kailangan nating i-feel. May excitement doon. Yun. Related din sa being mysterious. Yung balat na wala nang ads. Diba? So, basta on dating, being a mystery is, don't tell all your story and talking about exes in just one sitting with the guy. Alam mo yun? So, hindi ganun maiintriga ang lalaki kasi nag-i-interpret din yung guy na especially pag nagsasabi ka ng mga against sa exes mo and iisipin ng ka-date mo, wow, di ba? Parang ganito pala siya, di ba? So, hindi siya ma-intrigue si gay doon. So, nasa na tayo? Number 3?
Wait. No, for me now, we'll play our station ID first.
Sure.
And we'll be back, okay? Time check, it's 8:30. You're listening to Chandela and Fermina Daza here on board. And we are talking about the ways for women to be irresistible to men. We will be right back.
Pinoy Podcast.
Okay, so that was, what was the title again of the song? I forgot. Crack Up To Be by Jordan Woolen. Techno beat, no vocals, beat lang. So Fermin, are you there?
Yes, I'm still here kicking. Anyway.
Okay, so
Yes. So we have talked about being irresistible to men. Number 1, be confident. 2, be a mystery. So
3, be easy to be
number
around.
3, and yes, welcome natin sa JDC. Baka sabihin niya, hindi ko na naman siya binate. Okay, anyway, number 3.
Okay.
Be easy to be around. No drama.
Yes, no drama. Wag yung tipong yung tipong yung pinapanood mo sa TV, yung mga telenovela, i-apply mo sa buhay mo.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka yung mga issue, pinalalaki mo. Di ba?
Oo. Alam mo, I've had experience about this. Yung one time or another, I'm also a drama queen, but it's no good.
I've been there also. Yeah. I can relate.
Biggest turn off talaga yan para sa mga lalaki na yung tipong parang kahit hindi sila interesadong pakinggan yung sinasabi mo, they'll just listen kasi magkakaroon ng ibang meaning pag hindi ka nakinig. Pero dapat yung mga girls marunong ding maging sensitive din sila dun sa mga sinasabi nila dun sa guy kung gusto bang marinig ng guy, right?
Right, yes.
Especially yung mga bagay na wala silang kinalaman. Katulad yung aso ng kapitbahay mo namatay.
Yan, yes.
Oo, yung yaya nung kasamahan mo sa opisina ay nagtanan, huwag mo na ikwento yan. Unless gusto niya makinig, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos sasabihin mo, kawawa nga. What do you think, babe? Do you think that's rude? Do you think that, huwag na gano'n, no? You're on this stage, you take the time to get to know each other.
Yes. Especially yung time nga during dating. Siyempre, dating should be fun, and at the same time, yung getting to know each other should be leveling yan. Hindi nga lagi on the first encounter in one sitting, papakita mo na kung gaano ka drama queen. Diba? So, hindi. You just have to, I think women, I'm encouraging all women or girls, we have to smile, relax, and don't overthink. And ito din, sablay din ako before na when I was young, overanalyze. Diba? Kasi minsan during those days, yung sinasabi ng guy sa akin, kaharap ko siya, pero sa thought ko, kung ano-ano na yung nangyayari. So, alam mo yun? Diba? So, don't overanalyze. Especially guys, pag nagsalita sila direct, yun na yun. Huwag mo nang bigyan ng kung ano man ang sinabi nila sa'yo, yun na yun. Hindi sila katulad natin na we have to interpret, we have to analyze. No. Men, they will talk directly and as simple as that. Yun na yun. Kung anong sinabi niya, yun na yun. Walang ibang meaning. Yun na yun. Kung ano yung sinabi niya. Oo.
Huwag mo nang sundan ng maraming bakit.
Yes. So,
Bakit, diba? Ganon. Huwag mo nang sundan ng maraming ganon.
Yeah. Kasi pag naririnig ng guy na marami kang sinasabi, dating sa kanila nakaka-stress yan. Diba? Talaga na-turn off talaga yung guy na talaga nakakikita nila kung gaano ka, you have a lot to say about many things and then accept you and then complaining about everything except you, di ba? So, during the day, enjoy niyo yung yung part na yun na medyo relax. Di ba? Kaya nga yung iba, dinadala nila yung mga ka-date nila sa mga magagandang ambience. Diba? Nakakatulong yun. Nakakatulong yun sa yung environment, sa nature ng pag-uusap nyo. Kasi kung magkikipag-date ka sa sinihan lang or sa may ingay na places, di ba? Alam mo na, magwaway ng babae at magsasalita ng malakas.
Alam mo ako, bihirang-bihira ako makipag-date sa sinihan, sa bar. Gusto ko yung yung over dinner, yung nakakapagkwentuhan kayo.
Yes, kakarinigan kayo, di ba? And I think that's so important na Kasi, di ba, I think sa dating kasi, you have to make sure that you also being interpreted in a good way. So, kailangan yung maging extra careful ka rin. I'm not saying na maging plastic ka, di ba? But then, di ba, kailangan din yung mga places na i-consider mo kung saan ka pwede makipag-date. Right?
Yeah. Right.
So,
let's move to number
stress-free.
4.
And number 4, embrace your femininity. Ano ba sa Tagalog ng femininity? Pagkababae? Parang gano'n. Gabriela ba to? Gabriela. May taba.
G, Google mo yan. Ano yung femininity na yan?
Sabi dito, most men want to feel like the man. Yo, okay? The man. The best way to encourage this is to embrace your femininity. So, women should be soft, gentle, graceful side, and then, may isang word ako nalaman or 3 words, sabi ng guy. I think women should be bright, beautiful, and tempting. So, yun daw ang idea. Yeah, yun daw ang idea niya ng femininity. Bright, beautiful, and tempting. Tempting in a sense, I know guys.
Yeah. Alam mo, siguro, to add to this tip na femininity na to, siguro, kung paano ka nagustuhan ng guy mo, baka naman kasi minsan parang mas strong ka pa, or like for example, when you're in relationship already, kunwari, you're living together na, don't wear his oversized shirt. Diba? Wear your lingerie. Wear your laces. Yung mag-ano ka, mag-tibak ka, or mag-backless ka. You know, baka naman, o kaya minsan naman, baka mas malakas ka pa sumuntok dun sa boyfriend mo.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. Yes. Kaya kailangan, yun nga, in-encourage ko. Lagi kang relax dapat.
And I guess,
ganda.
Oo, dapat, in tune ka sa sexuality mo bilang isang babae.
Oo, kung talagang babae ka, di ba, nagdadamit ng babae ka, nag-aakal like a girl, di ba, yun yung fundamental ng pagkababae mo. Na Kasi merong iba na parang, alam mo na, yung idea ng pagiging, they call it, men usually call them, bitch, yun, ganun, di ba? Na parang, I can own this man, and, you owe me, parang ganun ang dating. So, yung mga ganung...
Gusto ng mga lalaki na iparamdam mo sa kanila na gusto mong alagaan kanila.
Yes.
Na masarap kang alagaan, na masarap kang mahalin.
They are natural provider kasi yun ang nasa core nila. So, men want to provide and wants to protect you. Yun, so let them. It's their job.
Nakaka-boost ng ego nila, yung na malalaman nila na kailangan mo sila.
Yes.
Diba? Na you need them.
Yes. And gusto din nila yung napipraise mo sila.
Oo.
Hindi yung papansinin mo lang pag nagkakamali sila.
So I should stop saying to Gina semi-gwapo. Dapat pala gwapo na.
Gwapo na.
Saka dapat hindi na receding hairline. Dapat ang haba ng hair mo, G. Dapat ganyan.
Pwede. Yes.
Okay. So, number 5.
Number 5. Yes, ito, importante to. Have your own life.
Yeah.
So, di ba may sinasabi, before you get the man, get a life. And then sa lalaki din ganon. Before you get a woman, get a life.
FD, kalma ka lang. Parang galit ka na
deep breathing ako.
Ano ba yan? Malalim ba pinaghuhugutan yan? Ano ba?
Hindi kasi
kalma ka lang. Birthday mo yun, ha? Kalma ka lang.
Have your own life. A man's greatest fear is losing his freedom and being trapped in a relationship. Men pick up on how much you need them and instantly feel pressured and back off. Yes. Mostly nagsasuffer sila lalo na pag insecure yung babae. Kasi laging hinihingi yung validation ng partner nila. Tapos walang ginawa kundi mag-worry kung iiwan sila ng boyfriend nila kasi they don't like themselves at all. Alam mo yung mga insecurities na gano'n. Kaya nga balikan na, pag ganun ka, you have to work on your confidence also. Balik tayo sa number 1.
I think ito tong having your own life, kasi ang tendency when you're into the relationship already, yung babae nagiging clingy. Alam mo yon, hindi na aalis nang hindi kasama si boyfriend, hindi aalis nang hindi nagpapaalam kay boyfriend. Tapos yung mga friends ni boyfriend, gusto niya friends na rin niya. Nawawala yung identity niya in the process. So
Good nga kung yung babae gusto yung i-friends yung friends ni boyfriend, yung ibang mga babae, ay wala, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay, dito ka lang, hindi ka pwedeng sumama sa friends mo. May mga ganun na.
Gusto rin naman ng mga lalaki yon na click ka dun sa mga friends nila. Pero wag mo naman masyadong masyadong makipag-close dun sa mga friends niya kasi yun yung kumbaga parang isa sa mga support system ng boyfriend mo. Paano kung may problema kayong dalawa, yun lang yung nasasabihan niya. So, ang tendency nun, hindi na siya magsasabi dun sa mga guy friends niya kasi masyado na rin close sa'yo yung mga guys. Saka isa pa, I guess, dito, yung pag-gimmick night sa mga lalaki, yung mga boy. Minsan, of course, iimbitahan ka niyan. Drop by for a bottle of beer, pero don't stay the whole night.
Tsaka, dapat din malaman ng mga babae, katulad natin, kailangan talaga ng mga lalaki, yung mga outlet na ganyan. Kasi, kailangan din nila, lalo na yung loyalty ng mga barkada nila, they have to experience that. Tsaka maganda rin yung nagkakaroon kayo ng, time of separation. Pagbalik ng guy, mas na-energize siya eh. Hindi yung lagi mo siyang parang kinukulong lang. The more na hindi siya magiging in sync sa'yo. Kasi mag-iisip siya na ano ba to? Is this the relationship na I want to stay to? I mean, di ba? So, I think yung mga ganong, sabi nga nila, it's important to a man, to a guy, to men, na magkaroon sila ng hobby. Really. So, kung nasa relationship ka and, you should encourage pa and support your guys sa mga gusto niyang gawin outside the relationship, being with friends, and especially sa family. Kailangan nagko-connect din siya sa immediate family niya. So, kailangan talaga hindi nobody can possess anyone, right? So, when you enter in a relationship, huwag mong ariin na parang bagay yan. Di ba? No.
Alam mo, FT, I have one wonderful tip to women out there listening on how to love your men.
Yes. Go ahead, sis.
When you're into a relationship, love your man as a little boy. Let him play with all his toys. Hayaan mo siyang maglaro kung anong gusto niyang laruin. Hayaan mo siyang gawin kung anong gusto niyang gawin. At the end of the day, katulad ng isang batang maliit, mapapagod yan, uuwi yan, at hahanapin niya yung nanay niya. Parang gano'n, diba?
May nabasa kasi ako.
Diba?
May nababasa
ka dyan?
Hindi, may nababasa kasi ako, marami ba nagko-complain about the guy playing online for 8 to 12 hours. Are you cool about that? Sis? Nox. Mag-iisip yan.
Online playing online for 12 hours. Well,
yeah.
Kasi siguro, ito yun eh. Siguro hindi ka na ganun ka-confident. Hindi ka na ganun ka-mysterious. Siguro drama sa buhay mo.
Drama queen ka to the max.
Wala ka nang ginawa kundi mag-cling sa kanya.
Tapos ikaw na yung lalaki na nag-mismatch na, ikaw na yung lalaki.
When you're into a relationship kasi, hindi pwedeng kayong dalawa lang eh. You need other people. You need to go out.
Yes, that's very essential
Hindi
also.
kayo mag-grow. Hindi kayo mag-grow nang kayo lang together. Hindi pwedeng sa 4 na sulok ng bahay nyo, kayong dalawa lang. Oh, that's bullshit. Hindi pwede yan.
Yan. Kasi nga, being in a relationship, two individual pa rin yan eh. We have to grow. We have to support each other's personal growth. Yun din ang mahalaga. Kasi magre-reflect din yan sa relasyon natin. How we will feed our relationship. Kung full tayo sa sarili natin, we can give more and more sa relationship. Pero kung sa sarili natin, talagang feel natin parang may empty space, and then you're trying to, to think na yung partner mo, ipipil yun, and then you become clingy and needy and being a drama queen and even drama king. Yung gano'n. So, mahalaga pa rin na talagang sa lahat ng
alam mo,
sinabi natin.
May sinasabi si JDC sa chat. Talaga, sis Chan, baka iba nang ginagawa nun. Sige, ikaw din. Alam mo sa akin, JDC, ganito lang yan eh, ha?
12 hours?
Hindi, ganito lang yan eh. Oo, ganito lang yan, JDC. Kasi ang lalaki, minsan paglabas ng bahay niyan, or tayo mga babae, na-experience din natin yan eh. Naglalakad ka sa kalye, walang lubak, hindi ka naka-heels, natatapilok ka. Hindi mo alam kung bakit. Pero bilang isang mabuting girlfriend at mabuting asawa, naniniwala ako na kung yung asawa mo kahit saang pugad pa yan mapunta, kung walang problema sa'yo, uuwi at uuwi yan sa kandungan.
Naks na.
Diba?
Wow. Yes.
Diba? Ngayon, even the state believes that man is born polygamous. Okay, nandyan na tayo.
Yes.
Kahit ang Bible naniniwala dyan. Nandyan na tayo. So, hindi na namin problema yan. Problema nyo na yan. Basta kami, gagawin namin ang parte namin na mahalin kayo sa abot ng makakaya namin. Kung hindi pa yun appreciate, go to hell.
Yun ang punchline dun eh. Biglang go to hell.
Yes! Diba?
Anyway.
Alam mo, sabi ni G, so, men can sleep around, then it's okay. Basta lang sa'yo, uuwi at the end of... Alam mo, ang sinasabi ko rin, G, always, magmahal ka na sa 10, wag lang sa isa. Merong mga bagay na wala sa akin na baka nakita mo doon, 'di ba? Merong mga bagay na wala doon na meron sa akin, kaya hindi mo ako magawang iwanan. Para sa akin, okay lang yan eh. Everything is okay basta in moderation. Sa akin, walang problema yan. Magmahal ka na sa 10, wag lang sa isa.
Yes. Basta kasi sa isang relasyon talaga, kailangan nakikita mo yung role ng guy at role ng babae. So, kung ang babae talaga is, sabi nga nila, happy girlfriend, happy wife, happy life. So, diba, kung masaya yung relasyon nyo, I don't think there's any way na magkakaroon ng natitempt na from outside the relationship that will ruin your relationship, di ba? So, kailangan talaga, like a plant, iwa-water mo yan, give enough sun, and ganyan. So, it's an effort for both parties na mag-keep sa relationship. And then, for us women, as ang topic natin is being irresistible, napakahalaga pa rin talaga na magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating buhay na puno ng pagmamahal sa ating sarili, na talagang mawala man yung lalaking mahal natin o wala tayo sa relasyon, hindi tayo magpapatiwakal.
Oo ka pa din.
Diba? Yung mga ganon. Yeah. So, kailangan pa rin, kasi mas attracted din yung guy na yung mayroong sariling buhay talaga yung babae na talagang nakikita niya na there might be something with this woman na parang, alam mo yun, sa sarili niya, nabibigay niya na yung... Kasi sabi nga ng napakinggan ko one time na isang psychologist, can you think of one thing na hindi na hinahanap mo sa iba na hindi mo maibibigay sa sarili mo? So, may mga nagbibiro.
Yeah.
Kasi sinasabi, yung mga sex, yung mga gano'n. Ngayon, may mga di ba? May mga gadget. You can do on your own. So, ang point niya dun is, kung ano yung hinahanap mo sa isang relasyon, kung hinahanap mo sa isang partner, ang napaka-basic at foundation yan is ibigay mo siya sa sarili mo and then it will happen. Yun din ang ma-attract na guy sa'yo na isang lalaking confident, di ba? Na mahal ang sarili niya. So, kayong dalawa mag-share na lang kayo sa relasyon. Kasi yung ibang pumapasok sa isang relasyon na insecure, na arrogante, laging need ng validation. And talagang pag ganyan ang kasama mo sa buhay, parang wala ka nang gagawin kundi intindihin siya at mamamatay siya pag lumayo ka. Yung tipong ganun.
Saka, alam mo, for me na, ako kasi, I believe na when you get into a relationship, kailangan ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, masaya ka, kumpleto ka.
Yes.
Diba? Kahit na mawala pa siya sa buhay mo, you'd still be complete. At saka minsan, kaya ang dami mong hinahanap dun sa partner mo. Minsan, sa isang relasyon, lahat halos napuna mo, ang dami mong hinahanap. Kasi yung mga hinahanap mo, yun yung exactly na wala sa'yo.
Yes. Kaya nga, hinahanap mo sa iba. Pero, kumbaga, yun nga, kailangan you have to make yourself your number one priority talaga. Pero wag naman yung sobrang self-sufficient ka. Minsan na-overrate din ng mga strong women yan na parang, they are driven more by their testosterone na talagang, I don't need a man. Yung parang sobra ng ganon. Pero yung self-sufficiency is just, you take care of yourself and kung wala ka mang relasyon o wala ka mang boyfriend, you feel good, you feel fine. Diba? Yung ganon, you love yourself, you take care of yourself until the universe give you the right guy na mag-take care sa'yo. Yung ganon. So,
parang FD, parang nakakatakot din naman yung masyadong ganon kasi baka mamaya sabihin ni Lord, o kaya mo pala mabuhay mag-isa, hindi mag-isa ka na lang.
Oh, tama yan. May energy na kung ano yung sinasabi mo.
Parang medyo nakakapraning naman yun.
Kaya kailangan, if you want love, you have to desire love. So, be lovable, di ba? Ganon. Pero kung ang dating mo tight, ang dating mo bitchy, ang dating mo parang, give up ka na sa love. Yun din ang ipapakita sa'yo ng universe. Kasi mirror natin yan eh.
Yeah.
Lahat nag-reflect back sa atin. So, for us ladies, mahalaga talaga na unahin natin lagi ang ating mga sarili. Nako, it takes me 30 years ba to know that? Unahin natin mga sarili, alagaan natin. Kumbaga, masaya, sinabi mo nga kanina na talagang dapat happy ka. So, isipin mo na ang relasyon ay dapat added happiness lang sa'yo. Added. The one guy na makakapiling mo, added happiness siya. Pero hindi mo siya, kumbaga, hindi ka expect na pililigayahin ka na yung kaya na nasa kanya. Sila ay added happiness lang dapat.
Hindi dapat doon Hindi dapat doon pumapaimbulog yung mundo mo no?
Yes.
Hindi dapat doon umiinog yung mundo mo sa isang tao lang.
Kaya nga, may story nga na napunta siya sa isang doctor na sabi niya, i-divorce na siya ng husband niya and natatakot siya. So sabi ng doktor, ano ba yung worst case scenario ng takot mo? So sabi niya, iiwan ako ng husband ko. Okay, so sinabi ng doktor, ano ngayon kung iwanan ka ng husband mo? What do you think you can do? Tapos nag-isip siya. For that question, nag-isip siya. Is that your worst scenario, yung iwan ka ng asawa mo? Sabi niya, yes. So, anong mangyayari? Imagine mo yung sarili mo pag iniwan ka na ng husband mo. What you can do. Tapos, pag-isip siya, naisip niya, the one thing that she really dream of doing. Talaga. Naisip niya to do something. Kasi siyang nurse. So, gusto niya sumama o maging part ng doctors, borders, parang gano'n. So, sabi nung sa question na yun ni doktor, napag-isip siya na, wait, mawala siya, what I will do with my life? Diba? So, kailangan mo yun yung kumpiyansa na yan sa sarili, paniniwala mo sa sarili, kailangan mo yan, hindi lang sa relasyon, kundi paano ipamuhay. Diba? Ipamuhay yan sa pang-araw-araw. Para na rin ako si para-para sa femininity. Everyday na.
Yeah.
So, ako talaga, late, hindi naman late, wala namang, it's not too late naman. Pero talagang malaking bagay na matutunan mo na talagang tanggapin mo yung sarili mo. Kung mayroon ka mang ayaw sa sarili mo na pwedeng baguhin, do something about it. Yung hindi na, just let go. Huwag ka masyado magdrama sa mga ganon. And then, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, there's no love without self-love.
Yes, I believe that.
Yun lang. And, yan. So again, wrap up natin yung being irresistible to men, be confident,
yes.
Be a mystery,
yes.
No drama, and touch on your femininity side, and have your own life. Diba?
Yes. So
Summarize
natin. So thank you, FD, for being with us tonight.
Yes.
Thank you for being with us tonight.
Yes, thank you, Dan.
And happy birthday again. Happy birthday.
Yes. Thank you so much. And sa mga...
birthday.
Yes, nasa live chat natin, salamat. And I'm so grateful, talaga. Thank you. And kay Coach G, sa gwapo, thank you din.
Semi-gwapo pa lang.
Okay, semi-gwapo pa lang. So, bachi na ako, guys. Yes.
Okay, we will see you again on Wednesday.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank
you. Evening, Pilipinas. Bye-bye.
Bye. So that was for me, Daza. Okay. We talk about the 5 ways to be irresistible to men, and I hope may natutunan kayo kahit papano. And we will see you again on Wednesday. Same time, same channel. As for me, this has been DJ Chandela, broadcasting live from Manila, Philippines. It's 9:01. See you again tomorrow with Coach D. Goodbye.
You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
I woke up this morning with a special feeling. It was beautiful. I felt love. I thought to myself, I want someone to hold, someone to talk to. So I decided that I was going to journey into the world. Journey to find that someone. That someone that is waiting for me. That someone that I love.